let's move on to the next question here. So, what is the smallest perfect cube that is divisible by 6? Let's check by 12. 12 by, so 2, we get 6. Again by 2, we get 3. Get 3, get 1. It's not a perfect cube. No. Now, let's move on to 18. So, 2, we get 9. 3, we get 3. 3, we get 1. Again, not a perfect cube. So, 24. 2, we get 12. Again, we get 6. With 2, we get 3. With 3, we get 1. So, we get a triplet, but no. So, 36. See. So, 2, 1 2s are 2, 8, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So, how much more to be a perfect cube? 2, and from here 3, 2 into 3 is 6. So, this is the smallest perfect cube that is divisible by 6. Now, for here it's, 3 into 3, 9. Here it's 2 into 2 into 3, which is 4 into 3, 12. And here it is 2 into 3 into 3. Again, it's 12. So, it's 36. Now, what is the cube root of 1 by 8? Let's see. We have 1 by 8, cube root of 1 by 8. This could be written as cube root of 1 divided by cube root of 8, which is 1 by 2. How do we get it? 8, prime factorize, 2, 4, 2, 2, again 1. So, we get a triplet of 2. So, it's 1 by 2. Thus, we got the answer here. Now, moving on to the next question. What is the cube root of 27 by 64? So, again, same kind of question, cube root of 27 by 64. We get cube root of 27 divided by cube root of 64. We know that cube root of 27 is 3 and 64 is 4, but still we'll do it. 27, prime factorize, 3, 9, again 3, 3, 3 and 1. So, it's 3 and 64, it's 2, 3, 2, 2, again 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, again 2 by 2 gets 1. So, it's 222 triplets of 2. So, it's 4. So, we get 3 by 4 as the answer. Now, what is the cube of minus 3? It's the simplest question. It's minus 3 whole cube means we need to multiply minus 3 by minus 3 for 3 times, which will give us minus 27. Now, what is the cube root of 0.001? Again, it's a very simple question because we know the cube root of 1 is 1. Now, how many decimal places do we have? We have 3 decimal places and we take 1/3, which will give us 1. So, we need to put 1 decimal place. So, cube root of 0.001 is 0.1. This is the answer. Now, moving on to the next question. What is the cube root of 8 by 27? Let's see. Cube root of 8 by 27. Again, this is in the form of what? Cube root of a by b, which gives us cube root of a by cube root of b. Now, let's do this. Cube root of 8 by 27 means cube root of 8 by cube root of 27. So, what is cube root of 8? It's 2 and 27 is 3. Let's do the prime factorization method here just to remind you again. 2, 4, 2, 2, 2 and 1. So, it's a triplet of 2. Again, 27 3, 9, 3, 3, 3 and 1. So 3, it's 2 by 3. We got the answer. Now, what is the cube root of 64 by 729? Same kind of question, find the cube root of a by b. Again, we'll use the format cube root of a by cube root of b. Now, what is the question here? 64 by 729 cube root. Now, cube root of 64 by cube root of 729. So, cube root of 64, again by prime factorization, 2, 32, again 2, 1 2 is 2, 6, again by 2, get 8, by 2 we get 4, by 2 we get 2, again by 2 we get 1. So, it's 2 into 2, that is 4, so 64 is 4 and 729, let's do it. Now, is it divisible by 2? It's not. Is it divisible by 3? Let's see. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So, it is divisible by 3. So, let's see. 3. So, 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now, is 243 divisible by 3? So, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So, it is divisible by 3. Let's see. 8 3s are 24, 1 3s are 3. Is this divisible by 9? Yes, it is. So, 3 we get 2 3s are 6, 2 1 27. Now, again 3, 9 3s are 27. Again by 3 we get 3. Again by 3 we get 1. So, 3 we get 2 triplets of 3, which means it's 3 into 3, it's 9. So, this is 9. So, the answer is 4 by 9. Now, let's move on to the next question. What is the cube root of negative 1? So, we talked about the cube roots which are the same as cubes of 3 numbers, which are 0, 1 and negative 1. Because 0 cube is 0, 1 cube is 1 and minus 1 cube is minus 1. So, what is the cube root of minus 1? It's minus 1 again. Now, what is the cube root of 1? What is the cube root of 1? Again, it's 1 because 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1. So, cube root of 1 is actually 1. Now, next question, what is the cube of minus 2? So, again, minus 2 the whole cube. What is 2 cube? It's 2 into 2 into 2, that's 8. As it is a negative number, put a negative number here. So, any negative number which is raised to an odd power will give you a negative number. So, if it's raised to an even power, we get a positive number. So, according to this, we get negative 8 as the answer because of the negative sign of negative 2. Now, what is the cube root of minus 125 divided by 8? Let's see. Minus 125 by 8 cube root. So, this is equal to cube root of minus 125 divided by cube root of 8. So, let's see what's the cube root of 125. So, 5, 2 5s are 10, 25. So, 5 again, 5, 5, 1. So, we get 5 here, and as it is negative, we get minus 5. Now, what is the cube root of 8? It's 2. So, it's minus 5 by 2. Now, moving on to the next question. What is the cube root of 512 divided by 343? So, again, we just need to find the cube roots by prime factorization. 512, 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 1, 5 2s are 10, 1, 2, 6 2s are 12. Again, 2, 1, 2 2s are 4, 1, 6, 8 2s are 16. Again by 2, we get 6 2s are 12 and 4 2s are 18. So 2, we get 32. Again by 2, we get 1 2s are 2, 1 2 6. Again by 2, we get 8 2s are 16. By 2, we get 4. Again dividing by 2, we get 2. Again by 2, we get 1. So how many triplets did we get? 1, 2 and 3. So this is 2 into 2 into 2, that's equal to 8. Now what about 343? Now is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? No again, because 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, so it's not divisible by 3 again. It's not divisible by 5 as the unit place number is not a multiple of 5. Now, is it divisible by 7? Let's see. So, what is the divisibility rule of 7? So, last two numbers. So, we take the number in the units place, which is 3. We double it, that is 6, and we add it to this number. So, 4 plus 6 is 10 and 40. Is 40 divisible by 7? No, it's not. Now, is it divisible by 9? Let's see. It's not divisible by 9. Is it divisible by 11? So, we have another option of doing something when we get a number like this. What do? We take each and every number and find the cube root of it. So, 3 into 3, 9 into 3 is 27. So, it's not. 7 into 7 is 49. 49 into 7. 7 9s is 63. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. So, it's 4. We get 7 as the denominator. So, 8 by 7 is the answer of this question, which is not given here. So, it's 8 by 7, which is the right answer. So, what is the cube root of 27 by 8? Again, a very simple question. We get cube root of 27 by 8, which is equal to cube root of 27 divided by cube root of 8, which gives us, what is cube root of 27? It's 3. Again, let's find it out. 9, 3, 3 and 1. So, 3 and it's 2. So, it's 3 by 2. How does it come as 2? 2, 4, 2, 2, 2 and 1. So, 2 again. What is the cube of minus 4? So, we multiply minus 4 3 times, or we could multiply 4 3 times and add a negative sign. That's a much easier way of doing it. So, 4 4s are 16 and 16 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 4 1s are 4 and 6 minus 64 is the answer. Now, moving on to the next question. What is the cube root of minus 64 by 125? So, 64, 2, 32, 2, 1 2s are 2, 1, 2, 6, again 2, 8, 2, 4, by 2 again 2, get 2 again 1. So, 2 multiplied by 2, we get 4. Now, 125, we multiplied by 5, it's 2 5s are 10, 25, 5, so 5 again, 5, 5 and 1. It's 5, so we get minus 4 by 5. So, these are a few questions from